Hey everyone, today is our first shore excursion day. We were at Half Moon Cay, or Key, however you want to say it. We have a Stingray adventure first thing off the boat. We'll be taking the tenders to the island.
They're pulling up now.
Yeah, they're pulling up now. We're going to go down to where we get on them. We do have priority boarding because we have an adventure and we have faster to the fun. So we'll get some footage of that and we'll see you on the island.
To Half Moon Cay. We're just waiting for our Stingray excursion at 10 o'clock. We're excited, aren't we?
Yep.
Scary as she look on top, guys, she have a nice, big, beautiful smile. Now guys, welcome to Stingray Co-op. My name is Michael. This is Luca. Luca is my assistant. He will be assisting me and helping you guys get some nice cool photos and help understand these animals. This Stingray that I have is Sheila. Sheila is 3 years old. Alright, we made it through the Stingray adventure, had lunch at a crazy buffet, and now we're going to hit the beach for a little bit before we have to get back on the boat.
We are drinking Miami Vice and strawberry daiquiri on Half Moon Cay. It's delicious. away from Half Moon Cay. It's kind of sad, but it was a great day. Got to play with the stingrays, play in the water, and had a Miami Vice, which is pretty tasty. Check it out. Next stop,